Hey folks, first of all a big thanks in the round for the nice feedback of my last video. Yeah, it's true, I try to finish the project faster. The last time I tinkered nearly every evening 1 or 2 hours on it, on and offline, but most of the time fairly silent, but I get progress. I improved small things everywhere. This is a current result, a new object in the fleet. This one gonna fill the space between the connection string and the cargo load. It is something like an attack drone. The first attempt was a repair drone for the shell, but it's too big for something like that. Maybe I make later a special and animate that. But I think you folks see what I mean. It is like the dudes they attack bacterias. Please, I don't want to pronounce this word, but I pinned the attacker below in the description near the follow button. You see how clean the scene is? I used the lately sessions for start to order stuff. It was so necessary, and that is the hole which I meant before. Fairly small for the drones, but I can use 1 meter more from the connection pipe, and I think then is it enough. Surely the bridge is more in the back and we see down to the port where the drone's moving out. Sorry, but that is hard in the future. For now is the question, needs the drones a connection to the connection string? And then where? From top or the side? And maybe one day I'll have more viewers and I can start a vote for something like that. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Drop a like, a comment and press the subscribe button and see you next time.